Social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube help IES to reach and engage with users who may not otherwise see our content. When you use different social media channels, it allows you to engage with different audiences. This video explains how to use social media channels creatively and effectively, and provides examples and best practices for developing content more likely to receive user engagement through social media. Although there are a variety of social media outlets available, this video will focus on 3 major channels that IES staff uses most frequently. IES staff should contact their supervisors if they have content that they wish to post to one of these platforms. Twitter allows users to write short, scan-friendly burst messages or tweets. Although the capacity is 280 characters, the most concise tweets are most likely to be read. Using relevant hashtags, a word or phrase preceded by a hash or # makes your content more searchable and engaging by linking your content to all other content with the same hashtag. Please ensure that a hashtag is appropriate for use on a federal account before using it. You can see in this NCES example how a tweet encompasses relevant hashtags and appealing images in 280 characters. Facebook is also widely used by IES staff to post about their programs, centers, and surveys. Unlike Twitter, there are no character limits. However, best practices still call for shorter, more concise posts to reach users. Posting images and videos to Facebook and Twitter breaks up written content and makes it more engaging. Additionally, users are more likely to skim over written text, but will more likely click on a tweet or post if the content also includes an image or video link. In this example, you can see that the tweet uses an image pulled out of the promoted report to help engage users and has, as a result, received many likes and shares. Using Twitter as a means to chat is also a great way to engage with users. In this NAPE example, staff members incorporated chat into their social media engagement. IES uses YouTube to showcase its videos. When using YouTube, creating playlists and using tags makes video content more searchable. These IES playlists are good examples and focus on major programs and outreach efforts. Celebrations and milestones help to call attention to a recently released resource or upcoming event. In this ERIC example, staff used National Thesaurus Day to promote the ERIC Thesaurus. Posting videos, tweets, and Facebook posts at peak times is also important to consider. Generally, weekday afternoons are optimal times for most social media outlets. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach to understanding your audience and timing of posts, there are a number of tools that can help with understanding your audience better. HootSuite is a social media management tool that provides content creators options to more successfully engage users through social media. Specifically, HootSuite allows you to schedule social media posts. It also provides the auto-schedule feature, which helps determine the best time to post or tweet based on when similar content performed well in the past. To be most effective, social media should be used regularly. By posting regularly, users see IES as a reliable and relevant resource for education data and information, and will continue to seek those resources. HootSuite can also analyze platforms and can publish the same message at different times based on audience engagement on each network. Social media channels allow IES to disseminate research, statistics, and evaluation resources to audiences that might not be reached through publications or the website. In this social media framework, users are posting on behalf of IES. For more information on social media, see the additional materials on IES's Communication Training SharePoint site.